Today we're memorizing James 1:19 with motions. Are you ready? Hi friends, I'm Miss Nancy Ruth.
And I'm Mr. Roger.
We want to see kids living for Jesus. This is part of Bible Drill Red Cycle. For more information, check out the description below. It starts off talking about brothers and sisters or beloved brethren, and so what I want you to do is either turn to somebody else in the room and give them a high five, or you can give yourself a high five like I'm going to do, and so that's going to be our motion for that. So here we go. James 1:19. Know this, my beloved brothers, let every person be quick to hear, slow to speak, slow to anger. James 1:19. It can be really hard when you get frustrated not to get angry, can't it? But one of the things that can help is for us to listen and try to understand the other person and the other person's perspective. As we're listening, we need to not immediately speak and correct, but really try to understand what the other person is saying. Let's say our verse one more time. James 1:19. Know this, my beloved brothers, let every person be quick to hear, slow to speak, slow to anger. James 1:19. Don't forget to subscribe. We post memory verses in 4 translations, key passages, answers to Bible questions, and more. Check out our store and freebies at parentroadmin.com. We love you, friends. See you next time.